Let us talk weather. We'll get an update, of course, on Hurricane Laura. Also, Scott Padgett, the pop-up showers that some have seen locally this afternoon.
That's right. Tropical moisture in place for us, and we've seen these thunderstorms developing so far this afternoon. Some stronger storms moving through Denton County. Nothing is severe, but you're hearing the rumbles of thunder and also some localized flooding because of the heavy rain. That's going to be the story when we see these storms pop up because of the tropical moisture, seeing more developing Van Zandt County down through Henderson, Anderson, and Freestone counties. So we're looking at some of the tropical moisture in place, those storms developing, but take a look at the infrared satellite. And you notice earlier today, the eye was not really well defined or symmetrical, now becoming very symmetrical as Laura continues to increase in intensity. As we zoom our way down, I did a rough estimate of the distance, how far is the eye, as you can see, about 30 miles. So that's from pretty much Fort Worth to Dallas. So 30 miles across the eye of Laura as it continues to make its way off towards the west-northwest. Right now, 130 miles south of Lake Charles is that center of circulation with winds sustained at 145, moving to the northwest at 15. No change in the track. We're going to be seeing a change in intensity, possibly going into the very strong category 4, 150-mile-per-hour winds, making landfall possibly between 1 to 2. Very close to Port Arthur, very close to Lake Charles, riding along the state line of Louisiana, Texas, as a category 4 to then 3 hurricane. So hurricane most of the morning hours into tomorrow before then downgrading to a tropical storm by Thursday afternoon and then making its way through Arkansas, flooding rains, Missouri, Kentucky, as it then makes its way well off towards the north and to the northeast. So what's steering it? We have the area of low pressure in Oklahoma, area of high pressure over parts of Georgia and South Carolina. So in between those two, that's where Laura is going to squeeze its way on in and bring that potential storm surge, that devastating storm surge 9 feet or higher, as you're able to see the potential storm surge showing up. And there are storm surge warnings and storm surge possible about 30 to 40 miles inland. So that is the concern with the storm surge, possibly up to 15 to 20 feet. There are storm surge warnings as well about 30 miles inland because of that storm surge that's going to be pretty high for us, possibly 15 to 20 feet in some spots. So I want to go and show you just storm surge again on a different radar map here for you. You can see the storms moving its way towards the northwest. This is what I wanted to show you, how the storm surge works. When the storm location is well offshore, water begins to rise above its normal tide levels. But then when you have a major hurricane, you're able to see that it's really up above the high tide level, and 20 feet above it, it's causing some devastating impacts are possible. And that's exactly what we will see. Can't see some high cloud tops from those storms. Right now, we're sitting at 80 at DFW because of some rain-cooled air. We have northeast winds at 20, gusting up to near 30 because of those storms moving through. FUTURECAST shows as we go through the remainder of the night tonight, scattered showers and storms around tomorrow morning. A lot of the rain's going to be well off to the east, but we still could see some isolated storms here. And then into tomorrow night, clearing out as we have the dry air sinking on the left side of the storm. What doesn't get on out of here is the tropical moisture, though, in place. By Friday afternoon, it's going to feel like 104 with our temperatures heating up. And then by Saturday afternoon, feeling like 105 to 106 in some spots. So it's been a muggy day today. Tomorrow, I'm only going 88 degrees because of the cloud cover around. Rain chances 40%, higher rain chances off to the east. Still some leftover rain possible Friday morning as we have that tropical moisture in place. But I'm forecasting 101 on Saturday. Heat advisories possibly issued. Still 99 by Sunday. And then next week, front arrives, stalls out, gives us more cloud cover, a small chance of rain in the forecast. We're back down to average by Tuesday and Wednesday.